Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Today is Thursday, March 27, 2025. Live here in Las Piñas City. I'm Sandra Villamlas, your weather reporter from MIX News. Now let's see what the weather is like today. In the next 24 hours, expect warm and humid weather across the Philippines due to easterlies. Easterlies are winds coming from the Pacific Ocean, which will bring warm and humid weather across the country. For today's heat index forecast, in Metro Manila, it is expected to go up to 38 degrees Celsius air temperature and 64 relative humidity. According to Pag-asa Heat Index, or Human Discomfort Index, is a temperature that humans perceive, so we need to be extra careful to avoid heat stroke. For the 3-day weather forecast, March 28, 29, and March 30, the highest temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, a minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, with partly cloudy with isolated rain showers. The sun will rise at 5:30 a.m. and the sunset is 6:50 p.m. Again, I'm Sandra Umlas. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.